Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in our Power BI series, so we are doing with the video today. So mainly KPI cards and bar chart and donut chart. So these things we'll have to look into this one. So first we'll go with KPI cards. So we'll go click on insert. So in this we have to identify with the KPI card, gauze card and KPI. So here I have the card option called as the KPI and multi-row card. So these cards already we seen. Okay. Now I'll go with KPI. So this KPI I'll do it in uh, executive dashboard. Okay. So in this executive dashboard, I'll track with KPI. Okay. So this KPI I'll do it in. So first we'll format it. Then later I'll move to the bottom. So for this KPI, I have the options called as the value, trend axis, and target. So first I'll go with the value part. So value I'll go with total revenue. Okay. So for total revenue is the value and trend axis. I'll go with start of month or else start of month is one or start of month. Okay. Start of month. And target we had to take as previous month revenue. Okay. Previous month revenue. Now we'll look into this one. The KPI code is giving us beautifully the what we say. We look into total revenue and previous month revenue by start of month, number, goal. So this one beautifully is giving. And now we have to set up with the title. So I'll go with title. So this title is monthly revenue. Okay. And font, I'll select as by default CQ and 10. So next will center. So this monthly revenue is center. Okay. Next we have to apply with call out value. So this call out value also same thing. We apply the font. The bold we had to apply right now here. Here this one. Okay. And this range is 30. Okay. Next display units. So we have so this is by default auto will show none, thousands, millions, billions. So I'll go with millions part. Okay. Simply 1.83 million. And we had to check with trend axis. So trend axis is so if it is high, then green color, neutral, some purple color. This one something not sure. This color bad color is red. So now I'll go with for good color. I'll go with gray. Okay, neutral I'll take as neutral also I'll take gray only. So if it is bad, it will go as red. Next, we'll apply the transparency 10% and we'll go with target label. So for this target label, I'll go with font as 9 and here label. So label called as the goal. That is will give as previous month. Okay. And size and style. So width I'll take as 175. Okay. So this is the KPI we have designed. So this one will drag it to here. Okay. Now same thing we have to copy 2 times, copy and paste it, again paste it. So we'll drag this one to and little bit just arrange this one. And once this one, we have to select these 3 and we have to arrange this format. So format, align. So this alignment is goes to top and same thing align, distribute horizontally. Okay, fine. Now I'll go with, so first KPI is monthly revenue and second KPI, I'll choose second KPI here. So first one we had taken as total revenue. So this one we'll take as total orders. Okay. So this one trend axis, so I'll go with start of month, and target I'll go with previous month orders only. Previous month orders. Okay. Done. So this is the value we had to given. Now I'll go with call out values. Change this one. So call out value display units. So I'll take as none because of that is millions showing. So and title will give as so display units none, and title monthly revenue. So this one has monthly orders. Okay. Next. So this is second KPI monthly orders done. Similarly, we have to do third KPI. So third KPI we have total revenue. This one will take as monthly returns. Monthly returns is total returns we have to take. Okay. So total returns and target as so start of month, and sorry, trend axis is start of month, and target is previous month returns. Yes, previous month returns. Now we'll give as so title and call out value. So this title, so first I'll give as title called as so monthly returns. Next call out value will change this one. Display units. So display units will give as none, and trend direction. So trend axis, high is good. So now I'll reverse with low is good, then it is good. Okay. So this way we have to do with what we say to design with the KPI cards. So three KPI cards we have designed. That is one is monthly revenue, monthly orders, and monthly returns. So this is regarding with purely KPI cards. Okay. Next we'll look into bar chart. On first we'll look into donut chart. So then donut chart will convert to bar chart. So now I'll go with insert. Here I have the option called as a donut chart. So click on this donut chart. Okay. So now for time being, I'll place it here. So for donut chart, first I'll take as these options: legend, values, details, and tooltips. So first I'll go with legend. So for legend, I want category name. Category name. Okay. And values I'll take as so total orders. Okay. So now you look into this one. Okay. This one also will like little bit expand. So this is donut chart. So donut chart category name, accessories, bikes, and clothing. So this way we can design with the donut chart. So the same thing, it is better easy to understand with bar chart. Okay. So this visual we have to convert to here. If you click on this data part, here this is by default I have taken as donut chart. So this same thing will convert to clustered bar chart or something. So the next one is clustered bar chart, tagged bar chart, clustered column chart, tagged column chart. So this way we had to convert this one to the visual we had to change. So now I'll go with clustered bar chart. The axis is to be changing. Now I'll click on in chart, double click. The edit option is came. Now I will remove these labels. Delete. Okay. And now I'll do one thing. So this bars also we have to give with the labels. So in the bar, so if you move the cursor to the bar and right click here, add data labels. So the data labels are added. And position. So we'll give the data labels, position, data labels. Position is auto. So this auto will give us outside end. So outside the bar, the values will be showing. and we'll change with values. So value decimal places we had to change to auto to one position we had to give one decimal option, and this font also we will have to change. Here the font is 9 is there, right? We'll give as something like 8, and we'll give the title. So this title is like orders by category. Orders by category. And similarly, we had to change the font here, C and 12, we had to take font, and bars, enter this title, and yeah, bars. So bar color also we had to change. So bar color I will take as gray, and so these things are done. And move to properties and something the tooltips option here. So here we have the node tooltips. So I'll 1 minute. I'll select this outside and see the tooltip. So category name. So this way we have to change with the tooltip also. So this tooltip I will take as so format tooltip properties tooltip. So in tooltip, so type is default. Next label color under text label color I will go with white. Value color I will go this one. Drill text also white. Next background color also we have to change. Background color is I'll take as gray. Some transparency will apply 10% transparency. Now we'll see. Okay, so this is good looking, right? Category name, accessories, total orders. So this one, okay, bikes and clothing. So this way we had to design with the chart. So this is first we had designed with the donut chart. From donut chart we had changed the visual to clustered bar chart. Okay, so next video we'll look into another one. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. So it will give you more effort I'll put, and the video will share to more people. If you are hitting the like button, and if you are feel good, like just comment the some text. So whatever you feel, so whether it is good or bad, you can comment it. So based on the comments, I'll do more improvement, and I'll do more videos in Power BI. Thank you. Thank you for watching.